How to transfer Google Photos to external hard drive. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. Today in this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to transfer Google Photos to external hard drive. So to do this procedure, you just have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open up your browser and on the web address bar type in photos.google.com and log in into your account. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and download the photo that you wish to add it to your external hard drive. So let's say I'm gonna go with this one, so make sure to select it. I'm gonna go with the 3 and then press the 3 dot up icon and press on download. Now that this particular image is being downloaded, what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and locate the icon located right on top, or file location. Now you just go ahead and open it up. Now this is going to be in a zip format, so you just have to go ahead and select it first of all and then click on extract all. Make sure to tap on the extract all button and it has been successfully extracted. Now when you actually insert the external hard drive, you can locate it right on this page, but since I have not added any of these, but what you need to do is when you locate that, you just have to go ahead and left click on your mouse and then you need to drag the cursor or the mouse, and then you need to go ahead and move it by tapping on the left hand side key bar. Go ahead and drag and drop it to the file location. With that, you'll have successfully transferred Google Photo to external hard drive. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.